Welcome to San Juan Island, Washington, a hidden gem in the Pacific Northwest. Known for its breathtaking whale-watching opportunities and rich history, this island is a paradise for nature lovers and history buffs alike. San Juan Island is famous for its whale-watching tours, with orcas, humpback whales, and even gray whales making appearances throughout the year. One of the best ways to get up close to these majestic creatures is on a guided boat tour or by kayaking along the island's serene coastline. Many tours are led by expert naturalists who will share insights about the local ecosystem and marine life. The summer months from June to September are prime for spotting the resident orca pods that call these waters home. For those who prefer to stay on land, head to Limekiln Point State Park, also known as Whale Watch Park. This is one of the best places in the world to spot orcas from the shore. Be sure to check out the historic lighthouse here, which has been guiding ships through the waters of the Haro Strait since 1919. But San Juan Island isn't just about wildlife. It's steeped in history, with the most famous event being the Pig War of 1859. That's right, an international dispute between the United States and Britain started because of a pig. You can visit both English Camp and American Camp, preserved today as part of San Juan Island National Historical Park. English Camp, located on the northern part of the island, is where British forces were stationed. The site offers a peaceful walk through history, with buildings and barracks still standing, surrounded by stunning views of the island's harbors. Down south, you'll find American Camp, where U.S. forces were stationed. It's a striking contrast to English Camp, with vast, open landscapes, rugged cliffs, and dramatic ocean views. You'll feel the history here as you explore the remnants of this military outpost. After a day of exploring the island's wildlife and history, head back to Friday Harbor, the island's main town. With its charming shops, cozy cafes, and art galleries, Friday Harbor is the perfect place to relax and grab a bite to eat. Whether you're here for the orcas, the history, or just to soak in the natural beauty, San Juan Island offers something for everyone. It's a place where the past meets the present, where wildlife thrives, and where every corner is waiting to be explored. So what are you waiting for? Add San Juan Island to your travel bucket list and immerse yourself in the wonders of Washington's most captivating island. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel adventures just like this.